This video demonstrates how to use the debug logger in Positive Products. The debug logger is a tool that allows our support department to see the program code that's running when an error occurs in your Positive product. So, to start it, you'll need to go into the directory for your Positive product. In our example, we're using PFB, and our directory is called PFB. So I'm opening it. I'm going to scroll past the folders you'll see at the beginning and go down to the section that has just files in it. Next, I'm going to right-click. I'm going to New, and then Text Document. You need to create a blank text file called dev.txt. This is a switch that activates the debug logging function in Positive. Next, we'll go to the Utility folder. And in the Utility folder, you'll see Debug. Open that. And you need to run UD-Overview.exe. This is the actual debug logging program. Click on it to open, and you'll see a screen like this. Next, start your Positive program. The debug logger will start capturing information from the program. Go into your Positive program and start using it until the error we're trying to troubleshoot occurs. The debug logger is recording all the code that's running in the background. So when an error occurs, the support department will be able to see it. For example, we've done a simple transaction, and this is what the debug logger looks like. Once you've encountered an error, click the pause button. Next, you'll need to save the log file in a location where it can be easily found. Go to the left corner to File, then down to Save. In our example, we're saving it on the Windows desktop. We recommend using a name like debug log and then the day's date. Then you can send that log via email to the Positive support department. The debug log program should only be used when you're trying to capture information for an error. You should not leave it running all the time because it will eventually use up resources on your computer. So once you're done using it, come up to the X and close it. This has been an overview of the debug log program in Positive Products. Thank you.